Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Goody and today's teaching is on dreams that indicate you will be rich. Dreams can be powerful indicators of what lies in store for us in our lives. God often shows in the dream through signs and symbols his plan and agenda for our lives, though sometimes we are unable to comprehend them. If you see these 8 things in the dream, chances are you will be rich or that good money is coming your way in a short time. 1. Milk and honey. Milk and honey signifies prosperity, abundance, and riches. A lamp flowing with milk and honey was used to describe God's promise of inheritance to the children of Israel in the Bible. Dreaming about honey-making bees, which are known to be hardworking insects, is also linked to hard work, which produce rich results. It means your hard work is about to pay off. You will have a good life. Seeing milk in large quantities also signifies wealth and happiness. 2. Gold. Gold signifies wealth and prestige. Dream of seeing gold, or better still, receiving gold signifies you will have a valuable possessions as a result of wealth and riches coming your way. It signifies great achievement. Seeing a pot or bag of gold in your dream signifies that compensation for all your hard work is just around the corner. 3. Grains. Seeing grains like wheat, millet, corn, and other grains signifies that massive wealth will soon be knocking at your door and arriving at your home. It means financial increase. Grains in your dream signifies rich harvest, profit, wealth, and more than enough. Ephesians 3 verse 20. Now unto him that is able to do exceedingly abundantly above all that we ask or think, according to the power that worketh in us. This dream means that good fortune awaits you in abundance. 4. The number 8. Seeing the number 8 in your dreams means that wealth, success, material gains will come your way. For the Chinese and other Asian cultures, the number 8 is considered to be a lucky number. Us as Christians, it signifies new beginning. God is about to do something new in your life. He's about to shift you to a greater level in life. The fifth dream that signifies you will be rich is dreaming of eagle. Dreaming about eagle shows your strong determination for accomplishment. It shows your unwavering resolve to succeed. Eagle is a unique bird. It's known for its strength, discipline, and focus. Remember Isaiah 40 verse 31. But they that wait upon the Lord shall renew their strength. They shall mount up with wings as eagles. They shall run and not be weary, and they shall walk and not faint. Seeing eagles means that despite the struggles you face, you'll be able to achieve your highest ambitions or goals. 6. Money. Dreaming about money is financial blessings. Dreaming about bundles of money, money in a bag or suitcase, money in different currencies, signifies you will experience great riches and wealth in life. 7. Pool. When you dream about pool, don't think it's a bad thing. It's a common knowledge that when you see pool in the dream, you will be receiving good money soon. Poop in the dream signifies hidden treasure. It means profit, wealth, and prosperity. It's a good omen. It's only bad when you step on it or it rubs on your body. 8. Drawing water from the well. Drawing water from the well is a good sign, especially if the well is not deep. It means money is coming and it will be big. If you always have these 8 dreams, it means you will be rich and successful in life. You might not be seeing the wealth now, but with time, as you put in more effort to work, one day you will be where God wants you to be, swimming in wealth and prosperity. These dreams should motivate you to work hard and keep your eyes on the goal. If you work hard and smart and be diligent in what you do, your labor won't be in vain. God bless you. Thanks for watching. Please like this video, share, comment, and subscribe if you are yet to. And don't forget to click on the bell button beside it, which is the notification button. That way you get notified whenever I post. See you in my next video.